any software development. So normally we have to have how many layers? Three layers: controller, service layer, and DAO layer. So your your controller should be loosely coupled with DAO layer, right? So whatever classes you are using in the entity, in the DAO layer, like entity class, should not be used in controllers. Right now, sign up entity is a part of DAO layer, which I am using in the controller. Make sense? That is
Yeah.
bad. So how we can make a loosely coupled? Clear? So in order to do it, I hope you are with me. In
Mm-hmm.
order to do it, see, right now in controller, what I'm using, sign up entity. Are you following me? This you can replace with sign up DTO because we have sign up DTO already. Huh?
Yeah.
So sign up DTO, this is similar to sign up entity. It is just coincidence. It could be same, it could not be. Fine. So what I'm doing, sir, I'm
Using a
using a sign up DTO. Sign up DTO will be involved in controller in order to take input from
sign up
user. Make
entity.
sense? And
Okay.
this sign up DTO you can set into it. In save method, I'm supposed to take data from reply, sign up,
DTO.
DTO. If you are not able to understand, let me know. Sign up DTO like this. Sign up DTO. Make sense? And DAO says I cannot take sign up DTO. I will take sign up entity. So what you need to do? Here you can make another instance of sign up entity. Are you following me? This I am just doing in order to make it loosely coupled. Make sense?
Mm.
Now all the input which is coming in sign up DTO, I would like to copy into sign up entity. In Spring, there is a class that is called beanutils class. Which class?
Being
Beanutils. Using its copy method, copy properties method, you can copy all the data from source to target in entity class. Make sense? Done.
mhm.
Any confusion if you have? Hmm? Hello, my input is coming in service layer in sign up DTO, but repository cannot accept sign up DTO. It can accept only entity. So I'm creating an object of entity, then copying all the DTO data into entity and eventually persisting it. I hope it is clear to you.
Yeah.
Hello. And here, see, save and update. I can use same. It's okay. So this method name can I give save or update? It's okay with you
Yeah.
because in Spring Data JPA, both will work in the same fashion. So I'm able to do what, sir? I'm able to make changes
Save
for,
out.
yeah. So this is done. I hope you got this much. Say yes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And find all. Let's see the find all, right? They can find all. We are returning list of entity. List entity is from database, right? So instead of returning list of entity, we should return Arjun.
DT.
We should return list of DTO. Got it? Because controller says if you return me a list of sign up entity, then I will be loosely coupled with the DAO layer, which I don't want. So what you need to do? All the sign up and list of entity you have to convert into list of sign up DTO. Yes.
Yeah.
So how we can do that?
Being
I can
using.
use a for loop
Oh,
because
okay.
we have to do it one by one, right?
Okay.
Like this. And then you can here make an object of sign up DTO. Am I correct? And
Mm-hmm.
one entity at a time you will copy from entity into sign up DTO. And eventually this object you can add into this. Make sense?
Yeah.
So I don't know you're following me or not. I will show you the same code with the help of Java 8, which will make it more compact. Hmm? So I'm
Mm-hmm.
able to convert my list of sign up entity into list of sign up DTO.
Yes.
I hope I'm making myself clear, right? So find all is also fixed. You can come over here. I'm using find all. It is returning DTO now. So where we have entity, this is solved. Say yes, you got my point.
Mm-hmm.
And in my this class, I have to use DTO now. Hmm? Same as earlier.
On the
Is it
data
clear to you?
store.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I don't know which one is left. Let's see. I don't want this. I'm deleting all the unnecessarily code. Here we have entity, right? This we have to also convert into hmm,
DTO.
DTO. So simple, you know it. I just did it. If you want to convert, it's not a big deal, right? Mm-hmm. Little bit fast, but you know what I'm doing. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, this also become loosely coupled, right? I think it's done. So did you understand the way I did it?
Kind of.
So if you see the code, what a why kind of, hmm? And you have to go in JSP, right? In JSP, this is the last. In
Then this is
JSP here
sign up.
we are using this. We have to use this and import it properly. And delete it. And if you want to import it, you can use it. Make sense? Yahoo.
Mm-hmm.
Done. So what I'm able to do so far, I have designed my code in a such a way so that my controller is now using DTO. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Mhm. DTO, DTO, everywhere, right? Controller is only using DTO, not entity classes. So that was the purpose of it. So I have and this DTO. Can you see this? This DTO I want to keep in different package. Hmm? This DTO is involved in you can write here a DTO package. Hmm? Why I'm
Okay.
doing it? Because of the separation of this is also you can store in some other package, data store. Hmm? Data package. Why I'm doing this great job? I'm asking with you, import it. Because everything I want to make it manageable. Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Control Shift O I am pressing, right? Can you see this? Now it's looking great or not?
Yeah.
Earlier we wrote everything in one package, right? Now we have everything in proper package. This is the starting point of the program. This is my controller. This is my DAO layer. This is my data. This is my DTO and this is my service layer. So this code is looking nice or not? But your question may be, you might have doubt this code will work or not. Am I right? Yes. So again, when you are running your project, so which which page you want to open default? Any guess? I want to open this sign up as a default page. Say yes.
Yeah.
So here you can give the multiple mapping. What I said, just put the slash. So what is the beauty of it?
This
Either you
look.
type C sign up or you type slash sign up.jsp will be open. Hmm?
Yeah.
So one method can be mapped with multiple URL that we have just learned.
Mm-hmm.
It may be fast, but you see the magic. I'm able to refactor my code very quickly. Hmm?
Yeah.
Again, nobody replying. Yeah. And here you just type localhost and port
Sign up.
number. Automatically it will open which page?
Sign up.
So- Yeah, you see, I'm correct. Hmm? Why? Why this page is open? You have just done the mapping. Either somebody type C sign up or slash. This will be open by default. Hmm? Hello, you can make some entry. Mhm. Sign up. And here you have to give some email ID. Let's give it. E. Oh, this is not working. Why? Even I don't know. Only one time can be imported sign up details all to package. Oh, actually what happened? We move the package name. Remember?
Yeah.
Hello. Both the package I moved it,
Uh,
right? That's why it's calling compilation error. Open it. So when you move the package here and there, you have to be very careful. You got the idea, right? Yeah.
yeah. Import it again.
So after that, since you have done changes in GSP, just refresh it. You see the magic?
Yeah.
Everything is working. You can change the password, you can, email ID, update it, hmm, and delete it. Everything is working. Fine. So I have done everything fast, but you got the idea or not? So please,
Yes.
this structure is final structure. Earlier, when I was writing the code, everything was in the same package or not. So people who may be watching this recording, they may be thinking we don't know anything. That's why we are doing bad programming, right? But today, this is the one of the best programming we have done.
Okay.
Got it? So
Mm.
today, what I have done, simply I moved my dependency of DAO layer, which was in controller, right? In controller, I was using sign up entity, right? So you see that
Yes.
sign up entity, we should use our own DTO, right? So I'm able to make it loosely coupled because of service layer and all the conversion, right? Like converting from entity into sign up DTO or conversion from sign up DTO into sign up entity, I'm doing in service layer. I hope everything is clear to everybody.
Yes.
So please, I'm not saying it's easy. Just have a look and give a try. Fine.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm just stopping session here. This session was only for 11 minutes.